Let me show you a few quick tips how to tweak your Unreal Engine 5.6 editor so your computer doesn't catch on fire. You can use these tips also in a lower version of Unreal Engine. First of all, I love to see my frame rate here. So to see it, you go to Edit, Editor Preferences, and here you can write frame rate and check this, Show Frame Rate and Memory. You see, if I check it, it appears up here. So all the time you see it. If you don't want to see it all the time, you can just see it here. Click this icon, go to Viewport Stats and type and select this FPS, and you can see the frame rate up here. Or you can use the command stat FPS. So this one is now turning off the frame rate, stat FPS. This is turning on the frame rate. And you see that even if we are working in editor, the Unreal is trying to get as much as possible of the FPS. So we can kind of reduce and save some computational power of it. So we will use the command here, which is called max FPS. And here you can click on this one. And here you can type whatever frame rate you want to. So I will aim to 30. And now you see our frame rate dropped to 30. So when it's 30, it's not trying to get higher. So this is saving a lot of power of the Unreal. And if you want to turn it off, you can type max FPS and set it to 0. All the time when you set something to 0, it's turning off the limit. So now you can see we are also around 60 frame rates. So then the most of the power takes the real-time computation of lighting. So you can make some changes and you don't have to see the lighting. You can switch the mode from lit to unlit, and now you see we save around 20 frames. So if your scene is really heavy and it's kind of freezing, you can go to unlit, make some changes, and then switch to lit to see the results. You can also change the scalability. So here we have the scalability, and if you change, let's say, the lighting only to medium, you see it's quite different, but it also saves us a few frames in our performance. In the version 5.6, you have also possibilities to change the quality of the materials, and you can also reduce the screen percentage. So it means you are not computing the 100% of all the pixels, but let's say only the 50. So it also reduces how the scene looks like, but it can save you few frames per second. Yeah, that's basically it. That's the main few tweaks what can help you to save some power while you are editing your scene in Unreal Engine, and then you can just click on this yellow button and send the settings back to the Epic.